Welcome sa Gaijin Japan Lifestyle and Travel Vlog.
Congratulations at nanonood ka na naman ng aking video!
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you spin around.
And now we're here in Recycle
Expert.
Take one. And now we're here at Recycle
Expert by Bash.
At ayun na nga, tinagalog ko na, nahirapan ako. Andito kami ngayon sa Recycle Expert Maybashi. Ayun, ulitin ko. Recycle Expert dito sa Maybashi. At ayun na nga, first time lang namin ni Tito Patatas. At tignan nyo naman yung labas nila. At ayun nga, samahan nyo kami na silipin kung ano yung mga items nila dito.
Nakakindat pa sa'yo. Sabi niya, wink wink.
At ayun naman ang cute ng crocodile. At meron, ano yung isa?
Armadillo, saka ano? Crocodile.
So yun na nga, pagbungad nyo, tignan nyo, meron silang kabag, watches. Siyempre yan ang inaano ko sa inyo kasi yan ang i-flex natin totally. Totally. Sakita natin yung bungad.
Lahat na nakikita nyo, binibenta nila. Pwera yan ah, akin yan. So, ayun, meron nga. Yahoo!
It's been raining for days now. Been running like.
Maumpisa ko na nga mag-flex ng mga items para sa inyo. Yeah? Oh, siya hindi ko patatagling pa. Divided by 2 special para may idea kayo sa peso!
You told me there'd be better days, and nothing that can pull us under. You wanna take the pain away, but know that I was born as a fighter. We fade, but we're better than that. We're better than that. I know you know, so why are we holding on, holding on? Yeah, seems like we're back on stop but go. I go right and you go left before it turns to red. It's true. Yeah, I hope that we could work it out. We'll never be enough for you. No shed a tear or two for good. There are other ways and other reasons, but only one that cuts to pieces. So why we tryna hide from trust when we could just leave? We fade, but we're better than that. Yeah, we're better than that. I know you know, so why are we holding on, holding on? Yeah, seems like we're back on stop but go. I go right and you go left before it turns to red. It's true. I want to know you, but I don't know how. 'Cause every time I bump right into you, I get all tongue-tied. Want you to know me, but I'm way too shy. I can't just go around admitting that it's you I like. I wish that I had guts enough to flirt a little, but I'm too scared I'll fail.
Ano yan, Tita Guy dyan?
Ito nga kami ng safety locker na may code. Hindi namin alam kung saan namin gagamitin, pero mura lang siya. 3,300 yen. At ayun nga, baka kunin namin. Ay, hindi pa kunin, delete namin. Yeah.
I just can't read you. pass me by. Sometimes you look my way and say my name and I turn around. But when I see you, you just walk on by. It's like you wanna talk but get caught off by your own mind. I wish that I had guts enough to flirt a little, but I'm too scared I'll fail. I wish that I could listen to the voice inside me, a voice that always says, give it a go, don't waste your time, 'cause you're running out. Give it a go and that's...
At dahil nga hindi ganun kadami ang mga tinda nilang mga luxury items, ay naisipan na lang namin kumain ni Tito Patatas. Nga doon kami galing at andito lang yung kakainan namin. Hindi siya lumalabas.
If you got the time, I'd like to stay a while. Do you remember what I said last time we met? Would you like to move a little closer now? I'd like to be as close to you as I can.
Congratulations at naabot ka na naman sa ending ng aking
So much for
video!
watching. Hope to see you on my next video.
Matane!